Hello everyone. So in our today's problem, we have to find the cat character in string game 2. So again, Alice and Bob are playing a game. Initially, Alice have a string word A. So it's a bit different from our yesterday's problem. Here, all we have to find the cat character, but the trick is you'll given an operation, and if the value of operation is 0, we don't have to change anything. If it is 1, we have to change. So if I give you an example, for example, k is 3 and the string is the array is 0 1 0. Okay, 0 1 0. So all you have to do, your initial word is A. Now what you have to do, you have to increase the string 3 times. So initially first I'll check, okay, array of I is 0, so I don't have to change any character. All I have to do, the word is A, so I'll put 1A here. That's it. Then the value of I is 1, means we have to change the character. So our characters are AA, it will be BB, right? Then AA plus BB will be AA and BB. Then value of I is 0. We don't have to change anything. So all we have to do, we have to add this string again. AA, BB, that's it. So our final output will be AA, BB, AA, BB. Okay, now k is equal to 3. So our third character is 3 here. That's it. If the array was like this, okay, 0 1 1, then all we have to do again, our first word is 1, A. So if it is 0, then we don't have to change anything, so A plus A will be A, right? Then again 1, so A become BB, so our output will be A BB. Then again this one, so we have to change the character BB CC. Then our final output will be A BB BB and CC. Okay, now this is my first character, this is my second character, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8. Okay, now third character will be B. If it is says, okay, you have to find for example, you have to find ninth character. So no, 9th, 7th. So 7th is C. You can like answer it easily. Now to solve this question, we can easily say that, okay, initially we will divide the length. So initial length will be 8. So we'll divide it. So it's 4. Then I will have a look. My initial my cat value is 7, right? And my middle length is 4. So it's obviously greater than my middle length. So what I'll do, I'll check if I will write one distance. Distance initially it will be 0, and then k is equal to 7. So I'll say, okay, if it is greater than my maximum value, then what I'll do, I'll just do k minus middle value. Middle value will be 4, so it will be 3. So 3. So 1, 2, 3. B. So the output character will be how could I the output character will depends on my third character here now. So if I see 3, so it will be the next form of B. So now distance will be, if it is 1, then I will add 1. So 0 plus 1, it will be 1. Okay. So all we have to find, we have to seventh one, right? So the C, here the C, where does the C comes from? It came from B, right? You got my point. The C came from obviously B, right? And how did the B become C? Because the the value of my array was 1, right? So I had to make it C. So all I will do, I'll check the array. If the array, I'll go from the last value. The last value is 1. I'll increase the distance 1, and I'll say my current k is 3. So I got it. Means if I have to find it out now, all I can do, I'll just add b plus 1 equal to c. But still I don't know what is b. So I'll go till I get my value, till I get k is equal to 1, or till I get array is equal to 0, I'll do this loop. Okay, then my current value of k is 3. Okay, I'll just write 3 here, 3, and distance is 1. Then again, I'll divide it like this. Okay, so now my middle value is 2 and k is greater than 3. So again, k minus 2 equal to 1. I got 1. And then what I'll do, I'll say my next value, okay, my distance will be 1 plus 1 equal to 2, and k is equal to 1. So 1 is this one, and now my value will depends on a, right? So a plus 2 is equal to c, we know, and then again I'll divide it by 1, and 1 is equal to 1. So my final answer will be a plus 2, which is equal to c, right? Like for the long integer, for the long value, it might go to like the value of distance, it can be 56, 60, like, so in that case, we'll just do mod by 26 so that we can get value which is less than z. I hope you got it. So initially, what I'll do, like, if I take this example or this one, okay, like for each iteration, if the operations they have fourth value, means I'll say for 1 it will be 2, it will be increasing by double, right? If it is 2, then it will increase by 2, so 4. 4 into 2 will be 8, 8 into 2 16. So total there will be 16 character, right? If you have a look, if it was 3, then it was 8 character, right? So it was 4, it will be 16, right? And each time I'll have a look. Okay, if it is 16, then 16 by 2, 8. What is my 8th character? Okay, I got 8, and I'll check the last value is 1, so distance will be 1. Then k was 10, so 10 minus 8 is equal to 2, so my new value of k will be 2. Now again, come here. Here, so here the value of my distance is 8. 8 by 2 will be 4, but k is 2, so we don't have to do anything. Then come here. 4. 4 by 2 is equal to 2. The distance is 2, so it's not greater than my mid value. Then come here to 2 by 2 is 1. I'll just say 2 by 2 is 1. And then this is greater than my value of k. So k will be 2 minus 1 equal to 1. I got my k, 1. And then here it is 0. So I don't have to add anything. The answer will be a plus 1, which will be b. If I have a look, it's b, right? So if you want to do code here, all you have to do, you have to initially take a vector. Initially, I'll say my long distance will be 0. And what I can also say, my distance I can take, and another value I can take is current. Yeah, current is 1. And then I can say vector, I'll take long, and here I took distance. Just say array. And then I'll say for IT in operations. I'll just copy this one. Operations, and for each operations that I'll do, I'll increase the value of my current and then push it on my array. That back my current, and here I can do an additional check. Yes. If current is greater than or equal to k, then I'll just break here. Okay. Then here I'll say for int I equal to my array size minus 1, obviously. Then while I is greater than or equal to 0, I minus minus. All I have to do, I have to say, if I have a look, so I have to find the mid. So mid will be anti-mid. Should I say anti-mid or long? I'll say long. Mid will be mid will be of I divided by 2. Is it? If k is greater than mid, then I'll perform two operations. One is k equal to k minus mid, and then I'll say current plus equal to operation of I. So if operation I is equal to 0, then it will add nothing, and if it is 1, then it will increase the value. That's it. And then the end, you'll just return what you have to return. You have to just return a plus my distance. That's it. Okay, here not current, it will be distance. My distance. And if the distance is greater than 26, it will increase the value. So I'll just perform one more operation, mod by 26. That's it. If I run it, okay, if I submit my question, perfect. Thank you so much, guys.